welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, Chiles Rellenos filled with ground beef that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have garlic cloves, tomato bouillon, black pepper, Mexican oregano, Himalaya salt or the salt you have at home, onion, serrano chilies are optionals, tomato, potatoes, poblano chilies, cilantro, mozzarella cheese, and of course the star, the ground beef. This is everything we need to prepare these delicious and amazing stuffed chile relleno. So let's get started. I want to start first here with my poblano chilies. I have rinsed them already through running water, and now we are ready to start charring them right on the stove. We want to make sure that we get all the skin nice and crispy, just like that. We're going to be flipping them around until they are completely brown from both sides. Be ready and have a plastic bag ready so that when they are nice and brown just like that, you're gonna put them in the baggie, and you're just going to let them be for at least 5 minutes. I'm gonna continue making the rest, but first I want to start making my delicious salsa. This salsa is going to cover the chile rellenos. I have my 4 tomatoes, half an onion, my 2 serrano chilies, my garlic, my black pepper, and the tomato bouillon. Some water. And we are going to reserve it. I have my potatoes here, and I'm going to start taking the skin off carefully, and then I'm going to cube it. But first I'm going to slice it just like that, and now I am ready to cube the potato. The same thing I'm going to do with the next potato. In total, we have 2 potatoes. Once they are nice and cubed, have ready a plate with water so that they don't start getting brown. So now I have my onion, and I'm gonna cube my onion, slice it just like that, and of course put it aside. Look at this. This is done. I have my cilantro here, which I'm just gonna remove the edges. Remove that and start dicing it very small little pieces, just like that. I have my garlic cloves. I have 2 garlic cloves where I'm going to put all my frustration in, and then I'm going to dice it very finely, nice and diced. Okay, let's put it in the small little plate, and let's go to the stove. Let's start making this delicious ground beef, cooking it. I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add the garlic, the diced garlic, and right after I'm adding the ground beef. I'm gonna add everything together so that the ground beef really absorbs the delicious flavor of the garlic and the onion. Once you are incorporating the ground beef, I'm gonna add my salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, and I'm gonna continue incorporating the onion and the garlic. Once it has changed color, it takes about 6 minutes. Now I'm adding the diced potato, and I'm gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my poblano chilies. I'm gonna get out of the baggie, and I'm gonna start taking the skin off carefully so I don't tear the whole poblano chili apart. Once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the seeds from inside. Look at this. These are ready to get filled with the ground beef mixture. Okay, let's see how the ground beef mixture is doing. Okay, you want to make sure that your potato is still al dente. It's not overcooked, because remember, we're going to finish it cooking it in the delicious sauce that we made. Okay, this is completely done, and now I am ready to transfer it to a plate where I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. This smells delicious. Now I'm ready to add the cilantro. When you add the cilantro like this, the ground beef and the potato really absorbs the cilantro taste. And now I'm ready to be very generous and add my mozzarella cheese. Remember, be generous when you are filling the poblano chilies. This is completely done, and I want to show you from close so that you could see all those delicious flavors in here. Look at this. I could eat it just the way it is. Believe me. Okay, I have my poblano chilies here. I'm gonna go ahead and start stuffing them with all the delicious ground beef mixture, and please be generous adding all the mixture inside. Look at this. This looks amazing. My family is already watching me and they're saying, when are you finishing this video? You know something, once I finish, believe me, they're gonna be gone. They are nice and filled, and that's exactly how you want your poblano chilies to be, nice and fat, just like that. Well, I'm gonna continue with the rest, and I'll see you when I'm dipping them in that delicious salsa we made. Here I am completely done. Okay, let's go to the stove. I'm using the same saucepan. I'm adding the salsa we made. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just taste it to see if I need to add a little bit of salt. To my tasting, this is great. I have the oregano here, and I'm just gonna add it in here. Once you add your oregano, just leave it for just a couple minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then you're ready to add your poblano chilies inside. Look at this. They look amazing. My home smells delicious, and of course, I can't wait to taste them. You know something? I'm gonna go ahead and cover them and leave them covered until I am ready to prepare my plate. And that's gonna take about 5 minutes, and now I am ready to prepare these delicious and amazing chile poblano recipe. Look at this. The sauce is nice and thick, and this plate is for the presentation. This plate is for me, the one I'm going to enjoy. My mouth is watering, so I'll see you in a bit. Stuffed poblano chili, stuffed with the ground beef, potato, cheese, you name it. This really comes out amazing and perfect every time. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I have combined it with the Teresita arroz that you already have on my channel. Let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious stuffed chile poblano. Excuse me. All those flavors and that delicious sauce is just amazing. Remember, my friends, when you cook with love, everything comes out delicious. The sauce gave it such an amazing flavor, but yet it's not spicy. It's so delicious, so creamy. You guys are really going to love it. Nice and thick and delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious and stuffed chile poblano. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.